Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, what I have here is our accessories. If you have an action cam, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on an action cam. I have this Akaso one, which wasn't expensive, $80. For a GoPro, you're going to spend like $300. Then you got to buy the accessories. So what are you going to do when you don't want to spend a lot of money on them? Go cheap like me. Let's check it out. Alright, so what I got here is the Neewer. I'm going to call it Newer. And if I'm pronouncing it wrong, forgive me. But that's the way it goes. So I've already been using this for a while. It's not an actual unboxing like I normally do. But what are you going to do? Here we go. You open it up. You have two compartments. This was real cheap. It was like $25-$30 on Amazon. It was awesome because I was originally looking for one of these clips they put on your baseball cap at the end of it, but it was like $13, and I kept on looking online. Found a whole set of this stuff for $25-$30 delivered. How can you say no? In a case. How can you say no? It comes with a baseball cap clip. Comes with the suction cup. Whole unit right here. Take this plastic off, and it's sticky right there, which means that it will stick a little better than a regular suction cup. Has a wrist strap. You want to put your action cam on your wrist? That's awesome. Now just open it up, put it on like a watch. There you go. And then secure it more with the strap. Because you don't want to lose your action cam. I'll tell you that. There we go. You attach it there. Beautiful. You have a head strap. Attach it to there. I've tried this out. It works great. Not the best quality, I'll say that, but for $25-$30, you can't complain. Handlebar or pole attachment. On your handlebar, your bike, bicycle, motorcycle, or some sort of pole. Here is the the float, basically. You attach your action cam down there, put it in water, it'll float. Assuming that your action cam has a waterproof case like so. If it doesn't, don't put it in water. Trust me. A lot of little attachments right here, here. All these right here. Comes with a whole bunch of extra stuff. Stuff you need. Little things that you never thought you'd need, you have them. That'll float. I don't know what exactly that's for. Maybe it'll float in the water. I don't know. Put your camera on top of there. I don't know. But what another great thing that it comes with is a small tripod. Boom, right there. These bend. Wrap them around a pole if you want. Not saying your pole, around a pole. Attach it right there. And that's great. Selfie stick, if you're into that kind of thing. Which I've used this on my hobby channel with RC cars. Just put the camera at the end, and then I can put the camera along the ground. I can make videos a little better with that rather than holding it up top. And you have a whole body strap. Make it like a body cam. You know, good little option if you want it. You know, if you never knew you wanted it, there you go. A really short selfie stick that you can just use right there. It ain't bad. Sure, people will come up with an idea for that. A little baggie full of stuff. double-sided tape, things like that. Strap. There you go. Oh, more stuff. Strap right there. Looks like some sort of wrist strap, maybe? I'll just wrap it around something. More straps, double-sided tape. You have tons of options. With this kit, I have not wanted for anything as an accessories. It has pretty much everything I need, and I think a lot of people would need. Instead of buying each little piece here and there, you might be able to get a better option, better quality pieces if you buy them separately. But if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money and you just want accessories for a hobby, something like that, this is a great option. So check it out. Check out things like this. If you're going to buy accessories, go for a whole set. Because if you buy this and the baseball cap mount, it's going to be about as much as the whole set. And probably the same quality. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.